Hello everyone, I, Shreyash Kumar of class 9, is going to perform an activity to show the second law of motion. So what does the second law of motion state? The second law of motion states that the rate of change of linear momentum is directly proportional to the applied force. The equation for this law is force is equal to mass into acceleration. Now I will prove this law by an experiment. Okay. So for our experiment, we need some matchbox, a rolling object which has greater mass than a paper ball. When we will roll the object which has greater mass, we will observe that there is change in state of motion of all the matchbox. But when we throw the paper ball, we will observe that there is no changes motion of any matchbox, right? So why does it happens? It happens because the object which has more mass will exert greater force. That's why this object exerted greater force, by which there is a change in state of motion of all the object, whereas the paper ball exerted less force. So there is no change in state of motion of these matchboxes. So our second step is the object with greater mass will exert more force. Hence there will be more acceleration for matchbox to move, whereas the paper ball will exert less force, hence there will be less acceleration for matchbox to move. So by this activity I prove that the second law of motion, that the change in linear momentum of an object is directly proportional to the applied force. Thank you and have a nice day.